Today is Friday, January 27th, and the time is 6:56 p.m. This is Steel Rob 87, and this is Certified Break, box number 1. Percy Harvin, Minnesota Vikings. Jason Witten, Dallas Cowboys. Kevin Walter, Mirror Red, number 251 of 250, Texans. Dwayne Bowe, Kansas City Chiefs. Dahani Jones, Cincinnati Bengals. Patrick Willis, San Francisco 49ers. Sean Green, Jets. Frank Gore, 49ers. Torrey Smith, freshman fabric, blue, number 45 of 50. Gerard Mayo, Patriots. Jabbar Gaffney, Redskins. Brandon Jacobs, Giants. Donald Driver, Green Bay Packers. Ray Rice, Ravens. Torrey Smith, Ravens. Jumbo Patch, freshman fabric, numbered 5 of 25. Steve Breston, Chiefs. Kevin Walter, Texans. Donovan McNabb, Vikings. Malcolm Floyd, Chargers. Jordan Cameron, rookie, Browns, number 462 of 999. Stevie Johnson, Bills. Tony Romo, Cowboys. Maurice Jones-Drew, Jags. Julius Peppers, Bears. Raheem Moore, Broncos rookie, number 309 of 999. Warren Sapp, fabric of the game, numbered 118 of 250. Looks like the jersey's got a little tear in it. Pretty nice. Buccaneers. Hakeem Nicks, Giants. Charles Woodson, Packers. Kenny Britt, Titans. Mike Wallace, Steelers. Donald Brown, Mirror Red, Packers, number 117 of 250. Chad Ochocinco, Patriots. Danny Woodhead, Patriots. Josh Cribbs, Browns. Lance Moore, Saints. Rob Hauser rookie, Cardinals. Number 76 of 999. No Sean Moreno, Broncos. Tim Hightower, Redskins. Kellen Winslow Jr., Buccaneers. Jeremy Maclin, Eagles. David Osbury, Raiders. Number 660 of 999. Matt Schaub, Texans. D'Angelo Williams, Panthers. Anquan Bolden, Ravens. Paul Plazowski, Jaguars. Jay Cutler, Bears. Terry Bradshaw, Immortals Relic. Steelers, number 82 of 100. Brandon Marshall, Dolphins. Mario Manningham, Giants. James Laurinaitis, Rams. LaDainian Tomlinson, Jets. Christian Ponder, Certified Potential, Vikings, number 601 of 999. Andrea Johnson, Texans. Fred Jackson, Bills. Thank you for purchasing with me and bidding on the box break number 1 of Certified. We'll be listing another box break for Certified tonight. And thank you again.